In 2020 and beyond, we will see a wave of new technologies being released around the world which will revolutionize our industries, our communications, and our daily lives. Early rollouts of 5G networks are enabling new, high-speed systems and applications. Smart cities are fundamentally changing how public systems communicate with their citizens. Industry 4.0, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence are enabling machine learning and predictive analytics to fully automate operations and supply chains. Blockchain technologies are being used to create smart contracts and permanent records across worldwide borders. Cybersecurity systems are evolving to mitigate new challenges brought on by billions of smart devices coming online. And the global pandemic has disrupted supply chains, causing companies to innovate and redefine their legacy business models. This will create new opportunities for investment and innovation in both mature and emerging markets worldwide. And at the center of all this is edge computing. So what is the edge? The edge is the connecting link between billions of IoT devices in the cloud. The edge will be a key platform which will drive a new wave of revolutionary technologies coming in 2020 and beyond. What does this mean for your career and business? Introducing the 2020 Edge Computing Workshop. Attend this workshop and discover how to apply the technologies of tomorrow so that you can transform your career or business today without spending time and money on expensive multi-week online university courses. This workshop is offered in basic, pro, and expert level sessions and will provide you with a crash course on the future markets, use cases, and considerations for edge investment. Visit www.olympiaic.com and sign up today.